Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
In today's video, guys, we'll explain if you have a Chevy, Buick, Opel, guys, 4-cylinder, and you have a transmission 60, 30, 60, 35, 60, 40, 60, 45, guys, and 60, 50. How to know if you have generation 1 or generation 2 transmission. Okay, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, and we'll make more than 200 videos on every vehicle. So guys, we have that car completely apart. It's a Chevy Cruze, but the same transmission is used on so many vehicles. You can check them out, listed in the description of the video below. Some vehicles, I'll just name some: Chevy Cruze, Opel, Sonic, Malibu, Equinox, GMC Terrain as well. Quite a few vehicles, guys. So Buick, not to forget, and Opel. So what, guys, we did so far? We removed the oil pan, we took the transmission apart. The easiest way will be to get your VIN number and decode it. We'll have a video on our channel how to decode your number for free and all that stuff. And you can find out which transmission you have. If you already took yours apart, we'll show you how to do that as well. Practically, to know for sure, you have to take your transmission apart. Why? Because, okay guys, everything's on the inside. There is no markings on the outside, except if the transmission is off the vehicle. If the transmission is off the vehicle, you can check by the transmission oil pump, okay, where the two transmissions differ, generation 1, generation 2. But once you remove your oil pan, you get to your transmission module and computer, this one right here, guys. Okay, and let me turn the light off a little bit. So right here, guys, okay, this is the computer. Okay, that's what we're talking about. And this is, guys, what you're going to see once you remove the oil pan. Now you see that number, guys, right here, long number, and the 8-digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hours is G, guys. Okay, this is the 8-digit. On first generation, most likely it will be a number such as 1, 2, or 3. On second generation, I've seen numbers like B, C, D, or G sometimes. Okay, and this is, guys, the you can see the computer right there. Now another thing, when you flip, okay, the solenoid body here, you have 7 solenoids. On first generation, I noticed that those are mostly black, all of them. Second generation, they're colorful, they're green and yellow, and only the middle one, the shifter solenoid, is black itself. So hopefully, guys, that will help you figure out how to do that. Please, guys, hit that subscribe.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.